Have you ever doubted your own beauty in a world of endless comparisons? Social media often sets unrealistic beauty standards, leaving many young adults questioning themselves and chasing perfection. To tackle this challenge, we have created imPERFECTion, an interactive installation designed to help young adults with appearance anxiety to embrace their true selves. By interacting with a clock on a broken mirror, symbolizing how anxiety shatters self-worth, users dive into a visual journey of transformation, exploring the main character's 3 stages of self-acceptance. Turn the clock clockwise to step into the future, where chasing unrealistic beauty leads to extreme actions such as plastic surgery and an obsession with perfection. Turn it counterclockwise to return to the past, a time of innocence where happy came from just being yourself, although having insecurities in appearance. In the end, a special event will trigger the final scene, with a big hug, embracing yourself and recognizing the beauty in your uniqueness. To bring this vision to life, we installed magnetic sensors behind the clock and attached magnets to the clock needle. Using Makey, we also connected these sensors to Adobe Animate for seamless interactions. It's easy to forget one simple truth: beauty has no limits, but self-doubt is bottomless. This project aims to remind young adults to embrace their imperfections because you are perfect just the way you are.